What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. It's your boy Ghost. We're back with another video. Today, I wanted to show you some cool stuff that I got. One, I bought something that I've been wanting to buy for this channel to help out, and hopefully it helps out with the vlogging side, this side, also with the moto vlogging side, and that's yet to be determined, but I'm definitely going to give this a shot. And secondly, my wife bought something cool for the house that I think is dope, and hopefully you guys think is dope, but we'll take a look at that in a little bit. But first, let's get this intro going. Before we get into this, I want to say thank you to all you guys that are still sticking around and enjoying the videos and whatnot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the little icon, the bell doohickey thing here, so that you get notified when new videos come out, and it helps out the channel, you know, so I really do appreciate it. But with that said, let's get into this. So first things first, in my last couple videos, maybe you've seen the mic pop down in the screen. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me show you my current setup. Alright, so as you can see, this is the setup I'm working with. So it's this tiny little GoPro with this giant microphone, which sounds amazing. Like, it sounds really, really good. But we need to figure something out. We need to make it a little less conspicuous. And so, yeah, let's talk about that. Okay, so there's a couple reasons that I've been looking for a solution for that giant microphone thing. One, it's just really awkward when you're walking out, you're walking in Costco, and you have this tiny GoPro and this giant mic that's the size of the GoPro. It's just embarrassing, right? So I've been looking for something a little bit less inconspicuous, or less inconspicuous, right? Yeah. So a little bit less noticeable, so it looks normal, a little less normal, even though I think walking around with a camera and talking to yourself is getting a bit normal these days. And secondly, I've been having some audio issues. On the motorcycle, I've been having some issues, and a couple times with this setup, I've been having some issues. So I've been trying to figure out what is the best solution for both of those problems, and I think I got it. And this is it. I know it doesn't look like much, but this is the Rode Wireless Go. If we take it out of the case, you'll see it's pretty small, two little devices. One of these, this one right here, is the receiver. So you actually put it into the cold shoe mount on the GoPro case, right? And then this is the wireless portion of it. This is a mic. This has a mic on it, so I could just like clip it onto me somewhere, or if you need that better quality, you can plug in a lapel mic. So on the motorcycle, hopefully I can plug in the lapel mic and get really good quality video out of this, instead of having the setup I'm doing right now that's causing me some issues. And secondly, I can put the lapel mic on me and do some vlogs with it. So like I said, there's two main reasons why I picked this up. One is I've been having audio issues. I'm trying to relieve that. And two, I want to deal with I want to get rid of this big poofy mic, which it'll have its place. I'll probably still use it, but you know, when I'm out and about, I probably won't. But around the house, I think I'll love this mic better. But the second thing is, when I'm using this mic, if I stand behind it, you guys can't really hear me very clear because it's a very directional mic. So anytime I'm like, I want to pan around or look at something, I have to take the mic off, I have to flip it around, and I have to do that in order to get the better quality audio, which, you know what, it's fine, I could deal with it, but why deal with it when you don't have to, right? So that's what these are also going to solve. With this, it doesn't matter which way the camera's facing, you'll always get clean audio, and I thought that was really awesome. So what we're going to do is, real quick, let's just do a quick comparison. I'm not going to go into detail. I just want to do a quick comparison and then show you another cool feature. This is the audio coming straight from the boom mic on top of the GoPro. So this is the audio coming directly from the Rode Wireless Go without the lapel mic. Okay, so this is the Rode Wireless Go using a Purple Panda on settings with a dB level set to 1. This is the Rode Wireless Go using the Purple Panda lapel on the dB settings level 2. This is the Rode Wireless Go using the Purple Panda lapel on dB settings level 3. Okay, now since I haven't been playing with this other than right now with you guys, I don't know which setting is best. Like, is dB setting 1 the best? Is dB setting 2 the best? Or dB setting 3 the best? So right now, as I'm talking to you, I have it set to 2. I figured 3 is probably going to be way too high, and 1 is probably maybe too low. And so I figured I'm shooting for the middle. So we'll see how it goes. There's probably going to be some playing around with this to get it right, to make sure, you know, knowing which setting to use for each situation kind of thing. But for right now, we're going to see how it goes. Let's do. So one of the other reasons why I really wanted this setup is this, because I can walk here and you can still hear me clearly. Or I can walk here and you can still hear me clearly. Or I can walk all the way over here and you can still hear me clearly. Or I can walk way over here and you can still hear me clearly. It doesn't matter. And that is freaking awesome. So I think this is one of the best parts about this product is I can, oh, it's a little windy. We're gonna get to test to see how that handles the wind, but it's got like a little windsock on it. Anyways, I think that's one of the cool things about this product. I can walk away, I can go in the garage, I can work in the garage and do things, set up the camera, and you guys can still hear me clearly. Or when we're out doing something, I can pan and scan, and guess what? I don't have to keep turning the stupid microphone around and dealing with that, and that's freaking cool. I think that's one of the coolest things about this. It's one of the reasons why I've waited so long to get it. It's been sitting in my Amazon cart for, I don't know, a few months, probably since the beginning of the year. I've been kind of playing with it, this idea of getting this product, and I figured, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and get it. I'm gonna jump on it. With the issues that I've been having with audio, I had to do something. I had to get something done to get this fixed. Like I said, the little mic that I normally have on there, I like the mic. It sounds amazing. It sounds really good, but this will give me a little bit less, you know, when I'm walking around and people aren't staring at me. I don't have to deal with that as much. And it just helps out with that. And if I can get this to work with my helmet, which I kind of done some tests, it's going to be a little jerry rigging, which I think I can get it done. It's going to help with that as well, because I've been having a lot of issues. I've gone on 2 rides, full day rides, and lost half the day's audio, which absolutely sucked. And the cool thing is that I think the battery life on this thing lasts like 7 hours or something like that. And if I don't want to use a lapel mic, I can literally just use that little, you know, use the little part to it and put it here, and it'll work. If I don't have a little lapel mic, if I forget it, if it breaks, you have a solution for that, which I think is amazing. I think down the road I'll probably do a better, more in-depth review of this product after getting some playtime with it and using it and things like that, and maybe understand like what setting 1 is good for, what setting 2 is good for, what setting 3 is good for, and figure it out from there. So hopefully this works. I'm going to try to use this the rest of the day. I'll look at the audio before I continue with the day and see if I need to play with the settings a bit. But I mean, for the price, I think this is such a dope idea, and I think it's going to be a big help to the channel. So let's go. This is the cool thing that I was talking about earlier that she's doing. She's making a coffee station, like a full-on legit coffee station, which I think coffee bar, coffee station, whatever it is, I think it's awesome. So it's a mess in here right now because we're moving this.
We're messy. We live here.
Yeah, so we're gonna move this for now. We're gonna put it in the walkway and then put the coffee bar right here.
Good job.
So we'll be right back.
No. That's what it is. It rolls your muscles out.
It rolls your muscles out.
How does it roll your muscles out?
I guess while we wait for her to finish, what do you guys think of the sound? How does it sound? Sound good? This living room needs more light at nighttime. Alexa, turn on the entrance. Yeah, we need way more light. It's super like yellowish in here. All right, while she's doing that, I'll show you something I added. I added more lights in here. More lights means more videos in the garage that I can do at nighttime. I'm gonna add more, but I added 2 more LED strips, so it's a little bit brighter in here. I'm gonna probably put 2 more that side and 2 more up there somewhere. But for now, yeah, this is much brighter, and it's gonna let me work at nighttime in the garage. So, yeah. All right, guys. So this is essentially her coffee bar, which I thought was a freaking awesome idea. Look, he's already in there. What are you doing in there?
It's new.
He's boozing. He's trying to get at the wine. She put some little wine down there. So
I'd rather him smell it than pee on it.
yeah. So she bought this. This is very true. So she bought this little coffee desk thing. So you can see you can slide this. Kind of cool. It's in here. Got cookbooks and little coffee sign, and we got the coffee and the sugar, and I think tea's back there. So it's a little dark in here. It's kind of in the evening, but a little setup here. I think this is cool. And so the reason that she bought this, so we have a Keurig over there that we're gonna get rid of, but it was kind of going out. It wasn't using as much water, and it was having some issues. So she wanted something like this so that on the weekends we can brew a pot and all have coffee in the morning and schedule it instead of having to do the Keurig. So
funny, all have coffee. That's my 12 cups.
That's your 12 cups? Anyways, so she picked up this Keurig machine that's got like the whole coffee pot, and you can still do the Keurig over here and put a bigger cup right there if you need to. I thought it was pretty cool. I mean, I do like coffee. So yeah, this is her little work home, her little home project. I thought it was an awesome idea because we love coffee. We all
coffee better than Starbucks coffee.
yeah, we all kind of run on coffee. So the house is a bit of a mess because we moved all this and had to throw everything. Whoa, slow down there. So the house is a bit of a mess because we moved everything that was here, and it's on the counter and over there, and we got to figure it out. But this is awesome. This is awesome. We have a coffee bar. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know. I didn't have too much today. Like I said, I just kind of wanted to show the new Rode Wireless Go. I think that's what it's called. And talk about this. This is cool. This is such. She like I have been, you know, has wanted something like this for a minute now and had been planning on it. Yeah, and wanted something like this. So she's gonna she has this little coffee sign.
It's right there.
Where? Anyway, she bought this sign here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It says fresh brewed coffee served daily, which she can put up on the wall over here. And I mean, I thought it was a pretty dope idea. I've never had a coffee bar in my house. This is cool. If we have guests over and they want coffee, I can be like, make your own damn coffee and point them over there. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Nothing too fancy, nothing too special, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the wireless Go thing. I thought that was cool. We'll see how that works into the channel. I'm already using it right now. I may adjust the volume, you know, based on, I got to learn that. So I don't know if like in the house it's too loud or too quiet. So it's a learning process. We'll get through it. But with that said, hopefully you guys have a fantastic day, whatever time it is you guys are watching this. And until next time, peace.